Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blur video background in Inshot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, if you haven't already, is to click the Get Inshot. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blurring the background of a video in Inshot can help focus attention on the main subject or create a more polished look. Now, once you are here on the Inshot interface, I need you to click on the video. And of course, select the clip that you wanted to be blurred out. Now, once you have loaded the video, the next thing that you need to do is go to the canvas at the bottom left side corner. Click on that, and I need you to click on the fit. All right, for example, it's not it's like a little bit zoom out or zoom in. Click on fit. All right, and then the next thing is, now once you've done that, click on check and go to the effect, and I need you to, not the AI effect only, I need you to hover to where you can find the blur. It should be around here. There you go. Click on blur. All right, now you can set the value how much you wanted to blur your background. For example, this one. All right, there you go. Once you've done that, now after putting in the value, I need you to click on save, and then now go to the pip. All right, and of course choose the main photo or main video that you want to highlight as the main focus of the video, because the background are just there as an effect to the areas outside of your main subject. All right, so I'm gonna select an image right here. This is gonna be the main image. I'm gonna zoom it right now to put it on the blurred background. Okay, now blurring the background can help in focusing more on the main subject, giving a professional touch to your video content. For example, if you need more advanced blur effects or precise control, consider using additional editing tools or software that offer more features. But the blur effect here on Inshot will do the job. All right, after that, finally export your video by tapping on the export icon and then choose your desired resolution and format. But again, it is a very handy tool that could inspire aesthetic. Blurring the background can help maintain consistency across your content. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.